there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to Tech Xray. I'm your host, Sarah, and today we are diving into a fascinating topic that's transforming industries worldwide: generative AI. From creating realistic images and music to writing essays and coding, generative AI is reshaping how we interact with technology. So, if you're curious about the magic behind these AI systems and how they work, you're in the right place. Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech content. What is generative AI? Generative AI refers to artificial intelligence systems that can generate new content by learning patterns from existing data. This means they can create new material similar to what they have been trained on. How does it work? Generative AI models are trained on large datasets and learn the underlying patterns, structures, and characteristics of that data. Once trained, they can create entirely new instances that resemble the original data but are unique and original. Key concepts: 1. Training data, the initial data set that the AI learns from, which could be anything from thousands of pictures to volumes of text. 2. Patterns and structures, the AI looks for patterns within the data to understand how to generate new content. 3. Creativity, while the AI doesn't have creativity like humans, it can mimic creativity by combining learned elements in new ways. Here are some practical examples that illustrate how generative AI is used across various domains. 1. Text generation. Chatbots and language models, tools like ChatGPT, are examples of generative AI. They can hold conversations, write essays, or answer questions by generating human-like text based on the input provided. Example: if you ask a generative AI model to write a poem, it might produce something unique each time based on its training data. Businesses use chatbots for customer support, helping answer frequently asked questions or providing product information. 2. Image generation. AI can create new images, paintings, or designs. Tools like DALL-E or Midjourney can generate images from textual descriptions. Example: if you input a sunset over a mountain with a river, the AI will create a unique image based on that description. Designers and artists use AI to brainstorm ideas, create digital art, or even assist in designing video games and movies. 3. Music composition. Generative AI can compose original music by learning from existing songs. AI like AIVA can create music for films, games, or personal enjoyment. Example: given a prompt like upbeat jazz tune, the AI can create a new musical piece that fits the description. Musicians and composers use AI to generate background scores or explore new musical ideas. 4. Video creation. AI can generate realistic videos using deepfake technology where people say or do things they never actually did, raising ethical considerations but also showcasing technological capabilities. Example: generative AI can create videos that make it appear as if famous actors are delivering lines in different languages or settings. Film studios might use this technology to dub films into different languages while maintaining the original actors' expressions. 5. Code generation. Generative AI can help write code by predicting what a programmer intends to write next, based on context and previous code. Example: tools like GitHub Copilot provide code suggestions and auto-completion, speeding up the coding process. Developers use these tools to increase productivity, especially for repetitive coding tasks. Key technologies behind generative AI: neural networks, particularly generative adversarial networks, GANs, and transformer models like GPT, which have made generative AI highly effective in recent years. GANs consist of two networks: a generator that creates data and a discriminator that evaluates it, improving the quality of generated content over time. Transformers, on the other hand, excel at understanding and generating sequential data, making them ideal for tasks like text generation. How does generative AI learn? Generative AI models are trained through a process of feeding large data sets and allowing the models to recognize patterns and relationships within the data. Here's how it typically works. Data collection. A large set of examples is collected. For example, a text model would be trained on books, articles, and other writing. Training. The AI learns from this data, understanding how to generate similar outputs by recognizing patterns and structures. Evaluation. The AI's outputs are evaluated, often against real-world examples, to ensure they are accurate and relevant. Fine-tuning. Adjustments are made to the model to improve its performance, allowing it to generate more sophisticated and relevant content. Why is generative AI important? Generative AI is transforming various industries by automating content creation and enhancing creative processes. Here are some reasons why it is important. Efficiency. Generative AI can automate tasks, saving time and resources. For instance, businesses can use AI to generate marketing content, reducing the need for human intervention. Creativity boost. AI can assist in brainstorming and generating ideas, providing a starting point for human creativity. Artists and designers often use AI to explore new concepts. Personalization. It can tailor content to individual preferences, improving user experience in applications like personalized advertising and recommendation systems. Accessibility. Generative AI makes creative tools accessible to those without specialized skills, democratizing fields like art, music, and writing. Real-world applications. Let's look at some real-world applications that highlight how generative AI is used today. Healthcare. Generative AI is being used to create synthetic data for training medical models, which helps in research and development without compromising patient privacy. Entertainment. In movies, AI is used to generate visual effects or even entire scenes, reducing the need for expensive set pieces. Education. AI tools help generate personalized learning material, making education more adaptable to individual student needs. Fashion. AI can design new clothing lines by generating patterns and styles based on current fashion trends, helping designers innovate. Challenges and ethical considerations. Despite its potential, generative AI also presents challenges. Ethical concerns. Deepfakes and generated content can be used maliciously, spreading misinformation or violating privacy. Quality control. AI-generated content may lack the nuance and creativity of human-created work, requiring careful oversight. Bias. If the training data contains biases, the AI can perpetuate those biases in its outputs, leading to unfair or discriminatory content. And that's a wrap on our exploration of generative AI. I hope you enjoyed learning about how these amazing systems are changing the world. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Xray for more tech insights. But before we end, I would like to share an interesting fact with you about generative AI. Did you know that the very first AI-generated painting, Portrait of Edmond de Bellamy, sold for a whopping $432,500 at an auction? It's a perfect example of how AI can blend art and technology in unexpected ways.